This episode of The Weekly Iron is brought to you by Hitachi USA and their lineup of 6 water tank systems compatible with any OEM haul truck chassis ranging from 25 to 60 ton. Welcome to The Weekly Iron for Tuesday, November 4th. First, we have big news coming from major equipment manufacturer Hitachi, announcing their name change to Landcros. Land paying respect to the company's history, and Cross an acronym for how they'll deliver innovative solutions to their customers in the future. Have you checked the tires on your construction equipment today? An article from Tom Jackson discusses how regular inspection of your tires can identify hazards early. He also examines how to use the tire pressure monitoring system, why and when tire inflation cages are required, and where you can find training materials for your technician. And last, we have an article from Mike Vorster. It explains how structured coding and real-time status updates in work order systems allow maintenance teams to gather valuable data, measure performance, and proactively address issues. Check all this out and more on constructionequipment.com. That's it for today's Weekly Iron. We'll see you on Friday.